Alright, man, we're gonna load up Big Thunder. Y'all don't see Thunder too much. That's because she expensive. You know what I'm saying? She expensive. Y'all gotta hit that like button. If y'all wanna see more Thunder, y'all gotta hit that like button and subscribe. Man, we just hit 1,000, man. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. It really means a lot to me, y'all subscribing. For y'all watching, y'all liking, those of y'all like, man. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified Canik, man. I'm the one that up the store with them. What's good, YouTube? Big Legend in the building. Back at you with another legendary video, man. So today, man, we just at the range. We just shooting the shit, having some fun. You know, getting some work in, getting some repetition in, all that there, man. If you're new here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell, turn on post notifications.
All right, you hot.
All right, y'all. And I'm running with the Mete SFT Pro Canik. So like I said, we're gonna start from the left. We're gonna shoot right, hit the middle still, and shoot the go to the right and shoot to the left. All right.
All right.
Let's get it. I ain't even got a mag in. God damn.
I'ma stop it. Hold on.
Oh, no, you can keep it.
Okay,
you can keep it rolling. I'm gonna edit.
All right.
I'm gonna start to the left, shoot to the right, transition to the middle, shoot the middle target, and then get to the right and shoot to the left. All right, let's get it, y'all. All right, ready?
Yep.
Go. That's one round down. We're gonna get Dave, get some action in.
Alright.
I got you.
Ready?
Yep.
Ah!
It's all good. Okay. Okay. Good shit. Good shit. I like that. Good round. Let's try to get a better round there for y'all. All right. Swinging. All right, round 2 for Dave. He had a good first round. Real good first round. All right. Boom, hit.
I got it.
All right, let's get it. Okay. Reload on him. Reload. Let's go. Hit. Let's go. Good shit, Dave.
I could not see that small one. I couldn't because it's behind. If you look at it, if you stand from right here and look at it, you really can't see it.
Yeah.
Because it ain't behind the top.
Yeah, because it's dark right there, so you can't see it.
I could not see that shit.
But yeah, man, good shit. I ain't doing the greatest, but it's all about practice and repetition, man. Muscle memory, all that, man. You just gotta get out here and train, man. And if you watching this video, you get out and train too. All right, you hear me? Get out there and train too. All right, do another round. All right. Reload on them. Let's go. Yeah. Show them what you're working with. What that is?
Oh, that's the 48.
What you got done to it?
I got the TRL7 sub, the Overwatch trigger, Hollow Sun red dot. Got what's that? Shield on 15, magwell. That's pretty much it.
Nice.
Yeah, appreciate you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do the same thing you just did.
All right.
Let me check my round count. All right, so I got 1 in the head plus 7. That's 8 rounds, so I can get through this round without reloading. All right. All right, let's get it.
Nice.
All right, couple hits for y'all.
Nice.
Couple hits.
Good shit.
Nothing too crazy.
All right, left and right again. Swing your targets.
Good shit right there, man.
Yes, sir.
Good shit.
Practice makes perfect, fellas.
Yep. This third target is behind this middle one, so I'm
Yeah, I got. Okay. Yeah, I'm with that.
all right.
I can get your John Wick on.
All right.
I got you.
All right, let me check to see. I'm loaded up. All right, cool. All right.
Let's get it.
Almost hit it.
There you go.
That just pissed me off.
Nah, man, you
I was
ain't that
missing
group,
that
and I know that group was right though.
That shit just pissed me off. I was just missing right there. But it's all good. So we got the Canik Meta SFT Pro. Man, this is one of my favorite guns in my arsenal right now. Don't mind this little funny little thing, majigger. This is just for my universal holster. It can go in, you know, whatever. I just like to have it on when I'm training a little bit, you know. It ain't the best, but it's doing for right now, because I'm going to end up putting a light on here, and I'm going to end up putting a comp on here. So once I get everything how I want it, then I'll get a real holster for it. But right now, I'm just using this universal holster right now. But let's get some shots down range, y'all. Them locked back. I ain't hitting shit. Yeah, I did. I don't give a fuck. All right, man, we're gonna load up Big Thunder. Y'all don't see Thunder too much. That's because she expensive. You know what I'm saying? She expensive. Y'all gotta hit that like button. If y'all wanna see more Thunder, y'all gotta hit that like button and subscribe. Man, we just hit 1,000, man. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. It really means a lot to me. Y'all subscribing, for y'all watching, y'all liking, those of y'all like, man. So if you're new here, be a friend of me, not an enemy. Hit that subscribe button, turn on that post notifications, hit the like and comment for me. Let's get this thing going, man. When you hit the like button, you put me in the algorithm. Let other people catch on to me, catch on and find a right wave and all that there. So, yeah, man, just fuck with the movement, y'all. And I call her Thunder because she sound like this.
So I didn't even try to jump it or bypass it. I just threw that shit in the shed. But I really want to fix that.
Smell that good gun smoke, baby. Smell that good gun smoke, baby.
Fresh smell. What's that resin? But yeah, just don't forget me whenever you're ready. I'll just check with you here and there. Gotcha.
Oh shit, I wasn't even in focus.
Yeah, because I think might have.
Oh yeah. Let that gun smoke, baby.
Common. So common. Collected these three. Oh yeah.
Ooh, she getting hot. All right, on you.
Yep. Ah.
Good shit. Good shit. Good shit.
How the hell you hear that?
Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified Canik man. I'm the one that up the store with them.
Shit.
Alright, man. I think that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Man, like I said, man, if y'all still here, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and drop a comment for me, man. Get out here and train too, y'all. And as always, be safe, stay dangerous. Peace.